True Jamaican vibe. Come to the channel. This is a channel is all about Jamaica. Show you a lot of different places in Jamaica. You know Jamaica is a very nice place, guys. So right now I am in the Clarendon area, but I'm leaving Anian Town, guys. Anian Town in Clarendon. So no Jamaica with Fire Reid, the Jamaican tour guide. But tell me what you think about our beautiful Jamaica. You know, just let me know what I go on. Big up on yourself, anyone I watch from. Yes, I'm talking to you. Big up yourself where I watch from. Fire Reid, one love, one heart, my people. Big up yourself. So guys, we are now leaving Anian Town, Clarendon. We are now entering Cave Valley, which is in ST.ANN, guys. So we are now in Cave Valley. Yeah man, so you come Cave Valley, you have to be careful on this bridge. Be very careful, guys. So if you don't know that area, when you're in a Cave Valley, be very careful. That's why I want to know Jamaica. I want to know Jamaica. Before you tour Jamaica, just try and know Jamaica. Yeah man, you're having some bumpy ride in the area, guys. Some bumpy ride. Yeah man, so big up on yourself and everyone I watch from. Yeah man, so we are Cave Valley. Yeah man, Cave Valley in ST.ANN. Big up on yourself. One love and one heart. So we're having some bumpy ride, guys. So tell me what you think about this area. Know a lot of people overseas want to retire in Jamaica. So you will see some of the area, what you're thinking about. Look at this beauty, guys. Two sides of the road. This is a beauty. Look at the beauty with the flowers, guys. Look. Very nice scenery. This, if you go to St. Elizabeth and go through the Holland Bamboo, you would all know that beauty. Look at this beauty in Cave Valley, guys. Very nice view. You have flowers on two sides of the road. What a beauty in Jamaica. In Cave Valley, ST.ANN. So this area is look like a farming area, guys. I see they plant a lot of cabbage. I can see a lot of banana, also sugar cane, apple tree repair. You see a lot of banana tree, guys. Yeah, that's the biker boys. Yeah man, see him know the road, you know. You see him know the road, him know exactly what to do. So you still have to be careful of the bikers them, you know. You still have to be careful. So guys, so remember when you're traveling, always check your spare tire, also your water in your car. Yeah man, and check your log. Yeah man, some tips for when you travel. Always check all those stuff, because you don't know what will happen on the road on your journey and your road trip, guys. So don't be afraid to, when you wake up and go on your trip, just check the necessaries, because that is very important. What about if you're driving in an area you chop a tire? And when you chop the tire now, you decide so you want to put on the spare tire. And when you're checking the trunk or anywhere you keep your spare tire, guys, you realize it's very soft. But if you did do the necessary checks, you would not in that position today, guys. So always remember to check your oil, water, your lug tool, your spare tire. Check them things there for me, guys. You don't know, when you travel the road of Jamaica, you don't want to chop no tire, because you know see a lot of pothole here in Jamaica, guys. Some serious pothole, very deep. So just check them things there for me. You hear, sir? Yes, I'm talking to you. Yes, I'm talking to you, guys. Yeah, man's place road kinda bad. Yeah man, so on your left you have the Bright Star Infant School. So on your left you have the Welcome to Miss June restaurant and shop. Telling me people Jamaica nice. So we're in the Green Knock farm area. Yeah man, so we're having some bumpy ride today guys. So guys, we're having some bad road condition, man. Telling you guys, you see it, them we have to face every day in Jamaica. We face them every day. And once you go on location, you will face some bad road, some bad road guys. Bad road. We just have to go through the same way and just do what we have to do because we want to reach our destination. So we have to take some bad road at times.